Hello everyone, ABAQUS tutorial, lesson 26. What's the difference between equation and coupling? Let's begin. First, open your software file set directory. Today is 6 June 4 3 file. Okay. Create a simple part. Okay. 10 millimeter. Yes. Material. Follow your nose. Millimeter. AMPA. Okay. Okay, assembly, copy one, change the value, yes. Next step, static journal, continue, okay. Interaction, first set, no. 2 data between 2 1. This I will equation. This surface I will coupling this surface. Okay. Offside from point. For example, if 2 millimeter is enough. Okay, right. First reference point, second reference point. To set create name. For example, center, then set up this surface. Done. Okay. Equation continue the value 1 minor 1. This is a fixed value. Fixed value. Okay. First up, center, direction is Y. Okay, is fixed value 1 minor 1. Set up, set center, direction 2. Okay, coupling, reference point, then surface, click, then kinematic. Okay, matching bottom, select this surface, shift select this surface. The bottom is not move, don't move. Okay, displacement, first one, shift this one, value enough. Okay. Let's see what's the difference result. Let's see the result. Submit. Run. Pause. Just wait a second. Okay, results. Let me see. Hold, click this, choose this. Okay, because the deformation scale factory I have changed. Okay, 10. If 1 you cannot see the difference. Magnify the value, magnify value. Okay, did you see the different? This is a significantly curve. This curve is not obviously. Okay, the stress is different. Okay, this surface is equation. This surface is coupling kinematic. Okay, the two method is different. Okay, I hope you follow me. Thank you for watching. This is my WhatsApp, my WeChat. Bye bye, see you tomorrow.